Join us as we explore the world of banana cultivation. From farming techniques to transforming your garden into a lush green paradise.
After harvesting, you'll enjoy delicious banana-based treats.
From banana bread to nutritious banana smoothies.
In another area of the factory, about 2,200 pounds of fresh bananas are peeled and cut into small pieces, ready for processing.
Here in the facility, every single banana chip is inspected by hand to ensure only the highest quality product reaches the consumer.
Oh my, it's truly terrible.
The banana industry is facing numerous challenges, especially the severe impacts of storms and floods.
The banana planting process begins with soil preparation, where farmers meticulously create an ideal environment for the seedlings to thrive.
As the golden hour approaches, the machine does the heavy work, guided by the experienced eyes of the farmers.
We're making progress. The new plow is performing exceptionally well in this rich soil, ensuring a bountiful harvest this year.
We provide high-quality, freshly grown bananas from our fields straight to your home. These young banana plants thrive in the freshly tilled soil, soaking in the golden hour sun, promising a bountiful harvest.
The meticulous care of the tilled soil ensures healthy growth for the vibrant seedlings, bathed in the warm sunlight.
After planting seedlings, managing weeds, and performing other care tasks become crucial in creating optimal conditions for healthy plant growth and high yields.
Pruning the earth is essential for a healthy crop. This machinery ensures the weeds are uprooted and the soil is aerated.
Weeds not only compete for light, water, and nutrients, but can also serve as hiding spots for pests and diseases, adversely affecting plant development.
The cultivator efficiently turns the dark, moist soil between the rows, aerating the ground while precisely removing the weeds. The cultivator tines dig deep, aerating the rich soil and clearing weeds to ensure the young banana plants thrive.
In this stage, farmers remove the banana blossom to encourage the rapid development of the fruit bunch.
The banana plant, often mistaken for a tree, is actually the largest herb in the world. Here in the
At the same time, they eliminate diseased and old leaves to protect the plant from pests and diseases.
This delicate procedure, known as denaveling, encourages the remaining fruit to swell, concentrating the plant's resources.
This also helps the plant receive adequate sunlight and airflow, optimizing its growth.
These meticulous care steps ensure healthy banana plants and high yields. The fury of the storm left little behind. Acres of banana trees, snapped and uprooted, lie scattered across the world.
The storm had passed, leaving behind a scene of utter devastation. The once lush banana plant.
When the bananas are ripe, the harvesting process begins.
Bunches. Workers carefully inspect the ripeness of each banana bunch, with each bunch containing 8 to 12 bananas, and meticulous.
The overhead system carries the harvest through the dense plantation, a testament to modern agriculture in the tropics. On average, each worker harvests about 500 bunches per day. The harvested banana bunches are then gently
Once harvested, the green bananas are quickly moved to the main line, utilizing this intricate conveyor system that winds through the entire plantation.
At the processing area, the bananas are washed for about 10 minutes to remove dirt and bacteria, ensuring the best quality before being sent to the factory.
The motorized conveyor system allows us to transport the freshly harvested bananas with unparalleled efficiency.
Harvesting a bunch requires precision and strength. The worker must sever the thick stalk in one swift motion before catching the heavy fruit.
The workers move with practiced precision, lifting the heavy blue-bagged bunches onto the metal hooks that carry them to the packing house.
High above the plantation floor, the motorized conveyor transports the day's harvest through the dense foliage.
Here we see the stems moving along the track, the blue bags protecting the fruit during transport through the processing plant. The plantation stretches across vast hectares, a lush expanse where the latest technology meets the timeless.
The blue bags protect the fruit as it travels along the motorized track, ensuring the bananas arrive at the processing plant in perfect condition.
Hanging from the overhead conveyor, these green bananas are meticulously checked by our team, ensuring perfect condition upon arrival.
With advanced technology, the banana tree cutter is equipped with a powerful motor, ensuring stable and efficient operation. This motor delivers high horsepower, allowing the machine to easily cut through thick and tough banana trunks. Thanks to its superior performance, the machine can handle lavimokruis of bashwalingchamos of burn at time. This is especially important for large farms, where high productivity and efficiency are essential.
ONLE, the exact speech explicitly defined in the audio indessen at das ID says tag is allowed.
The green tractor moves relentlessly forward, transforming the lush plantation into nutrient-rich mulch in mere seconds.
This is the sound of progress, a single machine, clearing the way for the next harvest, demonstrating the
The high-speed rotary cutter efficiently shreds the mature banana trees, leaving behind a nutrient-rich layer of mulch for the next cycle.
The rotary cutter shreds the dense banana trees, turning them instantly into nutrient-rich mulch for the soil. As the tractor moves through the dense plantation, the yellow attachment spins rapidly, turning thick banana stalks into a fine green mulch.
Utilizing the latest in agricultural technology, this specialized cutter head rapidly mulches the banana stalks, significantly streamlining the harvesting process.
This massive green machine clears the banana trees with unprecedented speed, leaving behind only nutrient-rich mulch.
The powerful rotary cutter swiftly transforms dense banana groves into nutrient-rich mulch, essential for the next planting cycle. The banana tree cutter is an essential tool for maintaining plantation health. It rapidly clears old growth, recycling it.
The advanced yellow attachment shreds the thick trunks, creating a nutrient-rich mulch trail as the tractor moves through the plantation.
Designed for maximum efficiency, this machine clears the plantation floor, cutting and mulching in a single pass.
By shredding the old stalks, the processor returns vital nutrients directly to the soil, ensuring the next crop thrives.
When bananas are delivered to the factory, approximately 500 kilograms of bananas are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Precision is key in the sorting process, guaranteeing uniformity for the market.
Next, workers inspect each banana, averaging about 3,000 bananas per hour to ensure quality.
buds. The factory processes thousands of bananas every day, which are distributed across the country. The washing process ensures
Bananas that do not meet the standards, accounting for about 5%, are carefully discarded before the packaging process.
We don't use any chemicals that would artificially ripen the fruit. We only use water and a mild, food-grade.
This procedure ensures that only the highest quality bananas are brought to market.
The bananas are carefully scrubbed by hand in a shallow, chilled water bath to remove any residue before the packing process begins.
The process begins with a careful wash, ensuring the vibrant green fruit is thoroughly cleaned in the shallow trough.
To ensure the highest quality, each bunch of green bananas is carefully washed in sanitized water before shipment.
The bananas are carefully washed in shallow troughs to remove any residue before the packing process begins.
Meticulously washed by hand, the vibrant green bananas are carefully rinsed in clear water, ensuring peak freshness before packing.
Here at the facility, every banana is carefully inspected and washed by hand to ensure the highest quality before shipping.
Our dedicated team hand washes each bunch in هذه المياه النقية قبل أن يتم تعبئتها وشحنها طازجة إليك يومياً.
The bananas are carefully washed by hand in a shallow trough to remove any residue before the packing process begins. Here, the fresh green bananas are gently washed in cool water, a critical step to preserve their freshness and quality.
Every hand is meticulously cleaned in the fresh water troughs, a vital step to preserve their quality before the journey ahead.
The first step in our process is a meticulous cleaning, ensuring only the freshest fruit makes it to your table. But
Here we see the meticulous process of washing the green bananas, ensuring perfect quality with every bunch.
relations. Once harvested, the green bananas are thoroughly washed in sanitized water, a critical step to ensure freshness and quality.
To ensure the highest quality, our workers meticulously clean each bunch in shallow troughs.
The washing process is critical, removing any residue while maintaining the freshness of the fruit. Here at the facility, the green bananas are carefully washed by hand in shallow troughs to ensure optimal cleanliness before packaging. After harvesting, the bananas are thoroughly rinsed in chilled water to preserve freshness and ensure quality. The first step is crucial. The bananas are carefully washed in the trough to remove any residue before packaging.
To ensure peak freshness, the bananas are carefully washed in a cold water bath immediately after harvest.
The hands carefully scrub the fresh green bananas in the shallow trough, ensuring every surface is cleaned before packaging.